Back in the day, app developers were straight up not having a good time. If you wanted an app on iOS and Android, you had to build it twice, two different languages, two different code bases, and double the headaches. It was a massive waste of time and money. Then, out of nowhere, Meta dropped React Native like a superhero. They promised to solve 99% of our problems by letting us use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for every device. One code base to rule them all. But as always in tech, there was a catch. React Native doesn't speak native phone directly. It needs a bridge to talk to your phone's OS. Think of it like trying to order food in foreign country using slow translation app. It works, but there is definitely some lag. Google saw and they handed the random bluebird, named it Flutter, and told us it would fix all our lives. And honestly, this bird actually fixed exactly what the React Native struggled with. Let's look at its two best features. First, unlike React Native, Flutter compiles your code directly into machine codes. It bypasses the middleman entirely. Your apps runs insanely fast. Second, Flutter doesn't care about the phone's defaults button. It draws its own widgets from scratch. It's like a digital canvas. Whether your app has a brand new flagship phone or a budget Android from 2018, your app layout will never break. Let's look at how you can get Flutter installed in your Windows. Okay, so what you're gonna do, go to search bar and type Google Chrome and open any profile. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, type the following URL: docs.flutter.dev install, and here click on custom setup and then install manually. Now you have to choose your development platform. I'm on Windows, so it automatically has chosen Windows for me. As you can see, you also have to install Git for Windows and set up an editor or IDE. You can set up an editor or IDE later, but for now install Git for Windows. I have already installed. And now you have to click on this blue button, Flutter Windows, then stable zip file. So I will click on it and create another folder inside my download folder. So I will create a folder named Flutter here, FLUTER Flutter. Okay, and double click on it and click on open and download the file here. Wait for the file to download. Okay, so now it has downloaded. Once the file is downloaded, you have to double click on the zip file, and inside the zip file you can see the folder Flutter. So what you're gonna do, I will open another tab here and go to my C drive. Okay, as you can see, C drive, inside users, then my username, and here you have to create a folder named develop. I have already created it, so I will not create it. You have to create it. And what you're gonna do, you have to copy this folder and paste this folder here. As you can see, I have pasted the folder here. Once the folder is copied to here, double click on the Flutter folder and then click on bin directory. Okay, so I will double click on it, and here you have to copy this path to this directory. I will copy this path by Ctrl+C command on Windows. On Mac, it will be Command+C. Now you have to close the file explorer and type edit the system variables, whatever, and open this thing, edit the system variables, and click on environmental variables. And here you have to find the path variable inside the user variables for your username. So wait a minute, I have to find it. Okay, so I have found the path variable. Double click on it, and here you have to click on this new button. So I will click on this. Okay, and now you have to paste the path to here and click on move up button, and you have to click on it until your path to the Flutter bin directory is stopped to on this list, and then click on OK, and then one time more OK. Now you have to open command prompt and type Flutter, then version. Okay, as you can see, and you have to wait some minutes to download its packages dependencies. Once it's download, it will show you the Flutter version and everything. So as you can see, we have installed Flutter 3.4.5 version,